Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Let's start up front. You'll see your forward boarding ladder, your washdown. You have your two pole holders for your forward sunshade, wraparound seating with storage underneath the starboard side seat, grab rails and phone chargers up here. You also are going to have your fold down armrest. In the entryway, you'll have a windbreak. You'll have even more storage underneath here with a trash can. On the port side, you're going to have a lockable glove box. Then you have your head area. Covers and stuff are in there right now. On the helm area, you're going to have two Simrad screens, a tilt steering wheel, your Fusion Apollo stereo, Lenco trim tabs, very well labeled, easily operated switches with a digital throttle and shift. Your helm seat's going to have a fold-up bolster. You have storage underneath the floor center line as well. In your stadium seating, you're going to have your table mount right here. It can be removed easily. You have your battery charger as well, C-deck flooring throughout this boat, a lighting package on the boat, cup holders everywhere you look. Aft, you're going to see you have a stereo remote control, a large sun pad, and on this boat, you're going to have a Mercury 300 outboard. If you'd like to see this boat, please stop by MarineMax Stuart. Thank you very much.